Rest in love, my Samoan Uso. Another warrior gone too soon. Music heavy like thunder rain. Another young soul never coming home again. Now the whole family wearing black clothes, asking God why the pain never slows. We cross oceans to survive, not bury our brothers while still alive. Now the streets got our young ones blind, trading love away $1 at a time. Rest in love, my Samoan Uso. May the angels guide your soul home. No, no more violence, no more pain, no more mothers crying in the rain. Oh, rest in peace beneath God's light. May your spirit finally fly, and may the young ones hear this song before another brother gone. Big homies talking like kings from afar, while the young ones dying over pride and scars. No, no loyalty when the prison gates close. No gang love when the cemetery grows. We forgot the prayers of the elders before, forgot what the cross and the culture stood for. Also our people were built from respect. Now the streets got the youth disconnected. Money ain't worth your mother's tears, or your little child growing up with fears. The real warriors protect their own, not destroy the bloodline God has grown. Hear the church bells ring, hear the old ones sing. Love will always win if we let Christ in. Rest in love, my Samoan Uso. The whole Moana mourns your soul. From Samoa to every shore, may we choose love forevermore. Uso, sleep peacefully. We'll carry the message forward. Peacewarrior Production.